right, we got it. All right, Hikeep MA-S Panda. Okay. What is up, everybody? Your boy, the E-bike guy, and today we're going to be reviewing the Hikeep e-bike. This is the MA-S Panda. What we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and do an open box on it this time, and then after that, we're going to do a ride video and a range test. Also, there's a lot of more features that's going to go on this e-bike, so let's go ahead and crack it open. Let's go ahead and cut open these straps right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, guys, as you know, I've been waiting on this bike for a very long time, and I'm glad it showed up our doorstep within a due time. So let's go ahead and cut her open. We're gonna go and do it the front way, because I know this bike is pretty heavy. I'm pretty excited to actually get this bad boy open. I've been researching on this e-bike for quite some time. It does come with a 52-volt battery, nice off-road tires, 4,000 watt peak hub motor, and it's in white. And there we go, nice and bubble wrapped. Got some foam and some padding, and let's go ahead and get it unwrapped. Woo, check this out, man. What I'm talking about this is like a luxury e-bike right here. Got a Hikeep box, almost the size of a shoebox. My shoebox is as well, because I was size 15. We're gonna open it up. Woo! So check that out. Look at that. That's what you call packaging real well. Got the pedals, got your tools. Look like some NFC cards. Got your 2 keys. Golly, they are in there. I had to pluck them out with the tool. Got 2 keys. You got both of them. One is a spare for the battery. Okay, now this is the top level. Let's go down to the lower level. All right, so we have the manual. Look at that. Got the manual, got the charger, got an air pump, some zip ties. Look at that, got a light bar. Dang, that should be bright. This is the first time I had a review of the e-bike with a light bar. Most of the bikes had a round, crazy looking headlight. And that is it in the box. Wow, this is nice, guys. There's only one e-bike that I reviewed had a similar setup like this. Now this is a nice touch right here. Look at that, got a storage compartment as well. Nice touch. Got the Hikeep logo in white. All right, so let's go ahead and get these zip ties off this. All right, seat. Look at that number plate. Got the 23 on there, kind of like Michael Jordan. Look at that, guys. Big Hikeep logo right there. This is a massive 52-volt battery. I wonder the amp hours. Is it 30, 40? We're going to find out in a minute. Got the battery apart, and let's see what we got here. So it's a 52-volt, 40 amp hours. That's going to be a lot of range, guys. I think the 40 amp hours is going to be new standard for these e-bikes. Yeah, so to be honest, this battery is the biggest capacity battery that I have reviewed to date on any e-bike. I mean, other than DIY like I do. But yes, this is going to be massive power and massive range. All right, so assembling the MA-S Panda, let me give you a tip upon assembling that fender in the back. So when you're, putting the fender on, it has to mount to the seat, okay? So when you get your e-bike, you're going to have 4 posts with nuts in them, and you unscrew them. What happened is when you flip the seat over, there are going to be some slots where this fender slides right into. Once you slide it in, then you can mount the seat and fender together on the mounts on the frame. Okay, so that is basically the only tip that I have for y'all, because basically this e-bike is almost 90% assembled. Okay. If you want to, you have the included number plate you can put on. You got your light bar and the front fender, and that's about it. But let's take a look at it. This is the most white e-bike that I ever reviewed. This thing is all white, very different from the black version. They do have a black version too on their website. But anyway, let's check it out. So just looking at it, first glance, first impressions, I mean, this is like a dirt bike appearance. It has a front and rear fender, just like your dirt bikes with the gasoline engine in it. First thing that stands out, this huge Hikeep logo. That is a 52 volt, 40 amp hour battery. And look at down here. So we're going to go down here to the brakes. These are 203 rotors with some Logan, and I think these are like quad piston calibers. And then look at the phase cable, guys. So you know this thing is going to cook out some massive current. Okay, when you see a cable that big on the e-bike, a standard e-bike out of the box, you know it's going to have some power. That's why I was saying we got a 3,000 watt hub motor in the back. This is a geared, not a direct drive, but it's 4,000 watt peak, like they say. We're gonna find out when we take it for a test drive. But we're gonna look at it also. When we come up here, we're gonna flip this. This actually comes reverse, so we're gonna have to mount that in the opposite direction so we actually see the tail light. That's one thing I forgot to do. So we got a Logan master cylinders. We got it looks like a headlight, got a horn. Here's our display, plus minus, power button in the middle. Here's our NFC display. Now, listen, so it comes with two displays, okay? I mean, two NFCs. Sorry about that. Don't lose these, okay? So they do have an included little scrap. You can scrap these too, okay? And then don't lose it, because you can't. If you do, you're not going to be able to turn this bike on. We have a Shimano index shifter. Got a full twist throttle. Now on the back, we got a Shimano SIS and damn, I forgot it. Right here at the bottom, right here, we got a Shimano SIX derailleur, and we have a derailleur guard to protect the derailleur from you fall over. Look at the tires. The reason I know these are going to be good tires because we got a set on E-Bike Woman E-Bike, so I know these tires right here are good. Off-road terrain tires right here, beefy knobs. And look at the suspension back here. Got a 4-shock mounted in the back. So we're going to say quad shock suspension in the rear, non-adjustable. And then right here we got a non-adjustable front fork in front. Definitely going to take it for a test drive, make sure it's ride good. All right, so let's go and peel this off. Wow. Okay, so let's make sure our battery's on. Okay, going to turn that on. And then now, you got to press and hold the power button. I'm just going off the book. Okay, so it's power. Let's see here. See how we're doing. Do this. NFC, I guess, on this way. Oh. So it does look like it has a password too. You can set. So anyway, so here it is. Ready. So you got your miles an hour. Got your pedal assist sensor at the bottom. Got a triple odometer on our left. Odometer on our right. So yeah, boy, looks nice. Looks nice. Let's check out the horn right quick. So we gotta check the horn. Very quiet, but nonetheless, it's there. Pedal assist. Let me see. It goes all the way to 5. Oh, go 3. Okay, goes down to 3. So you got 3 levels of pedal assist. Then we're gonna turn the headlight. I think there's one button touch. All right, let's take that off right quick. Let's see how bright that's going to be at nighttime. And then we got to flip our tail light around right quick. So let's go and get that flipped around. All right, so we got our tail light set right, and it has a tag holder. Let's check the brake lights out right quick. There we go. Okay, got some nice bright brake lights in the back. Take one more good look at it. I like the way they got this guard right here, this mud guard. So that is a nice touch. That's going to keep mud and debris off this nice white battery. It is going to get dirty, you know, especially if you doing some off-road rides, as we're going to be doing on the next video on the Hikeep MA-S Sport.